Rise and shine, day number 13, 30-day challenge, 30-day buying challenge, Shiba challenge. We're getting ready to buy Shiba for the 13th straight day. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, we're buying Shiba for the 13th straight day. It's early morning, and we're feeling really good about this today. Now, if I go look at the captain spreadsheet, we're looking at adding the information on October 20th. So, and then we'll have a subtotal at the end. So let's go ahead and buy the Shiba, So we're gonna go ahead and buy $50 worth of Shiba today. And if we look at what the price is, it's down a little bit, down 1.44%, but that's okay because we have a plan. So here we're buying a little bit over 1 million Shiba, and we're gonna buy now because we feel good about this. Now, why am I doing this? Well, we want to be able to build something for the future. We're not looking to sell this right away. We may even give away some of this Shiba away as well, but I'm looking to build this for the future. So view transaction, and then okay. So we're getting everything added up. So October 20th, let's go and take this here. You know, we track this every single day. So, okay, let me move this up just a little bit higher, and we're gonna add the amount right there. Let me see if it does. I have to go back over, make sure I copy this, paste this right here, and I'm showing them how I'm doing this. I'm showing you how I'm doing this each and every single time. I'm buying them from Coinbase.com. I'm keeping it really simple and really easy, and I'm just plugging in what I basically paid for. Very simple, very, very simple. So, and I'm taking the information right here. There's $48.01, $1.99 worth of fees, and I'm just putting in here. And then I'm taking the price of SHIB at the time of purchase, and I'm plugging in right here. Now, the only thing I don't have here is basically an average of the price of Shiba that I'm getting it for, but I'm going to add that in later on just to see if we're making profit or we're not making profit throughout these days. So we'll add that later on. But the subtotals already been added. We have the formulas already calculated here and down here as well. So if you look at this, Shiba amount paid, $688.16 just towards Shiba, just towards that. And then the total fees, $28.84. That's the fees. The fees much lower on Coinbase.com. Now there's other platforms, it's low as well, but this is one of the platforms that's pretty low at this particular time. And then total pay is $717 and about 13 days of work. But look at this, we have 23 million worth of Shiba that we purchased. So like we always do, we tweeted this out. Let's go here, and the same person, hey brother, I bought $10 worth of shit. This person is following me every single day. I appreciate you, but we tweet this out every day during this challenge. Day number 13 of 30, Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? Who is with me since day one, really? And so let me go ahead and back. The price is lower, and we already got our Shiba in the books, So I'm looking for today number 14th, which that will be August 21st. That should be on a Thursday. So are you with me? 30-day Shiba challenge is complete, and I'll see you on the next day. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. The captain's in. We have the captain spreadsheet of the 30-day Shiba challenge, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, click on the link below, get access to Coinbase.com. Why not start the challenge? You're not forced to. There's no advising you to. Just take a look at it, and I'll see you on the inside.